Your original emblems can become damaged after several years of being on the road. If you're in search of a new one, you'll be happy to hear that we carry the exact reproduction that you need. Hey, I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1964 through 68 GTO 6.5 liter Fender emblems. This product has been officially licensed by General Motors. The GM Restoration Parts emblem represents the most authentic and accurate parts for your restoration available in the industry. Our emblems are carefully manufactured from die-cast zinc. We use case-hardened steel tooling to ensure the quality and authenticity of every part. Each emblem features the letters GTO and 6.5 liter along with the checkered flag pattern, just like the originals. The emblems feature a brushed finish. Post-inspection, each emblem is carefully painted with a red enamel paint to last. No detail has been left out. In addition, they come with the correctly located mounting studs and hardware for installation. It'll be ready to install right out of the box. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.